Every time you see a beautiful woman, you will say maganda ka.
Maganda ka.
Yeah, like me. If you
Oh, what does maganda ka means?
that means beautiful.
Oh, you're beautiful,
Yeah,
ha?
beautiful.
Oh, maganda ka. O sige, pakishare mo na lang kay tatay, nanay, kuya, ate, at sa bunsong kapatid.
I will-
Kung si Bantay may cellphone, pakishare na rin. It's a prank!
Galing ni Kuya!
Pinoy Transporter, best taxi driver. He's a
Does Gaulu mean in Tagalog?
What, Gaulo? I don't know. You know what's the meaning of Gaulo in Tagalog?
Hello. What's
So-
your Filipino name po?
I don't have Filipino name. They call me Mr. Lu, ha?
Miss Gaulu.
Yeah, Mr. Lu.
Mr. Gaulu.
Yes. How about you? What's your name?
My name is Ryan.
Oh, say hi,
Hi
Raya.
everyone.
Oh, you're so happy. I'm so very, very much happy because my passengers is happy, huh? Oh, you tell me what you're saying to me a while ago. What? What's that?
Every time you see a beautiful woman, you will say maganda ka.
Maganda ka.
Yeah, like me. If you
Oh. Oh, what does maganda ka means?
that means beautiful.
Oh, you're beautiful,
Yeah,
huh?
beautiful.
Oh, maganda ka. Okay, I like your
Every
smile.
time, and when you see handsome guy, you will
Okay.
say guapo, like you.
What?
You're guapo.
What? Guapo?
That means you're handsome.
Oh, I'm handsome,
Yeah,
huh?
you're handsome. Very handsome.
How old are you?
I'm 26.
Oh, you don't look like 26, huh?
I look like 30.
No, you look like 25. Very good, huh?
How about you, sir? How old are you?
Oh, you guess how old I am.
You're 48.
Oh, 48. Oh, you're with me already, huh? I'm no longer 48,
You're no
huh?
longer 48.
Yeah.
In 50s? Like 50, 51?
Okay, I think it's much better like this. Sino magaling, ha?
Ano?
Oh, sorry, ha?
You're good at
What?
I'm just impressed on
Oh.
the way you speak.
Oh, you're very, very much articulate in English, huh? You're impressed, huh?
I'm having a hard time speaking in English because I'm not good at it.
Oh, you're good. Filipino are very good in English language, huh?
Not everybody like me.
Boy,
It's hard.
what's hard? Oh,
It's mahirap.
well, no, mahirap is...
Mahirap is hard.
Mahirap is hard. Okay,
Yeah.
ha? Okay, mahirap is hard. Oh, what's the Tagalog of poor?
Or mahirap din.
Also the same.
Yes.
Oh, how come in Filipino you're so very, very... I don't know what I can say because you said mahirap is hard.
Mahirap
Now,
is hard.
then mahirap is
Poor. Poor is also mahirap.
Poor is also... Poor is mahirap?
Yes.
Oh, what's the number after 3?
Poor.
Oh, same also, ha? I told you, ha? Very complicated, ha? Filipino language,
You
ha?
know, Filipino is
What?
tawag nito tamad. That's why
What's tamad?
ano ba yung English ito?
Oh,
Tamad is
what?
Ano ba yung English ng tamad?
You're asking me. You're Filipino. I'm having what's tamad in English, ha?
Is tamad is ano ba yung English ng tamad? Nakalimutan ko.
Oh, you describe me what's a tamad person
Tamad
doing.
is always ano ba yung pagtamad?
What?
Not thinking, always relying on someone, and
That's tamad.
yeah,
Relying on someone.
yes,
Okay, ha?
that's tamad. You know, Filipino is some of the Filipino are tamad.
Oh.
They don't think too really hard.
Okay. Oh, you again using always hard again. Oh, you really love hard, huh? Huh?
Not so.
Oh, that's so just a little hard, huh?
A little.
Okay, huh? That's beautiful, huh? Little bit hard, okay, huh? Okay, huh? I enjoy talking to you, huh? Okay. Who's magaling?
You, I like your ano po, your speak yung ano nyo ng pag Chinese.
Well, because I'm a Chinese man,
Yes.
Renee.
I love it.
Oh, you
I
love
love
it?
Chinese people.
Okay.
Because my boss is also a Chinese.
Oh, Chinese. Say to your boss, 你好吗?
Ni hao ma.
晚上好.
Wong shang.
Yeah, 晚上好 is good evening. Okay. 谢谢.
Sheshe.
Oh, you know what? 谢谢.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. 你好吗? You know.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Oh, 早上好.
Shang hao.
Good morning.
Good morning.
晚上好.
Wa shang hao.
Good evening.
Alright.
Okay, ha. How old is your boss?
30.
Oh, very young, huh?
Very young.
Still single.
No.
Okay, ha.
She's already taken.
Okay.
She's married.
See, I'm so nervous with you, huh? Oh, don't eat me, huh? Because you love very hard. I'm no longer hard. I'm always soft already because I'm already old, huh?
Taga-saan mo kayo?
Well, somewhere Makati, huh?
Dito lang din kayo?
Yes, Makati area. So, how about you? Where you stay?
Dito lang po ako sa Makati.
What's dito po?
Also living here in Makati.
Oh, how come? I told you I don't understand Tagalog. Okay.
I'm also living here at Makati.
Ah, you're also living here?
Yeah.
You're
I'm
nakalibing?
staying,
You're nakalibing in Makati? Because you said living, right?
living yung nakatira.
Ah, okay ha. I thought nakalibing. Okay ha. Okay, very good. Oh, don't forget about living. Okay, just think about loving. Instead of living, okay? I'm living on a jet plane. Oh, see? Even though I'm Chinese, I can sing English song. Because I love, huh? I love the way you're so very jolly and happy, huh? Well, keep it up, you know? That's the reasons why you look young, huh? Again, how old are you?
I'm 26.
Oh, told you you look like 25, huh? That's why. That's the secret of keep on, you know. Oh, you do have lots of pizza. Can you give me one? I'm hungry already.
That's why my
Oh, yeah, you ask. You tell your boss the driver is hungry. You give the pizza to him, you know. Well, what the other Tagalog words is it? Because you tell me hard. Okay, hard is mahirap. But mahirap also poor.
Poor.
So all the same. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 also. So everything complicated. How can I learn a lot of things about Filipino language?
Okay. You learn the word maganda, then guwapo,
Okay.
then
Me guapo?
yeah, you guwapo.
Okay. You maganda?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, yes. Oh, you maganda.
Then next is what else? Mahinging pera.
What's that?
Mahinging pera. Ay, wag
Ah,
yun. No.
What's paying pera?
Dapat ano. Wag yun. No.
What's that?
Wag yun.
I want to know that. What's paying
Mahinging pera. It's you lend me money, ganon. Pero not that. What else? Ano ba magandang?
So you lend me money?
No, I don't have. We will look for money.
Okay.
We will work for money.
Okay.
Okay. Ano pa ba?
So what else? Oh, you're Filipino. You're very, very much stupid.
There's a lot of
Huh?
words but I
Yeah, I
will
know.
some of it na na
Something.
nakalokohan.
Not kalokohan. I want something helpful to my wife. What?
What else? I will teach you the useful Filipino word.
Okay. What's the Tagalog of useful?
What's Tagalog of useful? Ano ba yung useful? Ano pa naman din?
Oh, you're using the word useful but you don't know the meaning, ha?
Useful is yung parang magagamit.
Okay, magagamit. Okay. So, useful, magagamit. Okay, ha?
If you you know the word para. Every time you will going to go ano ba?
Why keep on laughing?
Kasi we use the word para
Okay.
to say that I will going out at the jeep.
Other jeep, okay, ha?
Then
How about if you're going out of the taxi, what you're going to say?
I will say para.
So, jeep, taxi, also the same para?
Also the same.
Okay, ha?
Then-
So what para means?
Then para, we use also the word para to repair
To repair. Anyway.
To repair
Are
something or
are we near? Are we far?
Are we near na?
We're near. You subscribe me to my YouTube. Come on, so that you definitely. Where's your cell phone? Go.
Ipopost mo yan sa YouTube.
Yeah. Okay, ha?
Oo.
Yes.
Nakakahiya.
No. What's the kakahiya?
It's very shy.
Very shy.
Yeah.
Why very shy?
Because I'm not good at English.
Oh, you're so very good in English, huh? I love it. Okay. Oh, what is it? You type it. Go to YouTube.
Yes, I'm near at
Oh, you look for Pinoy Transporter.
Pinoy Transformer.
Manolito.
Ito pa nakita ko na.
Okay, ha?
Oh, look! Nakakahiya.
Okay, ha? Oh, now.
I already subscribed.
O sige, pakishare mo na lang kay tatay, nanay, kuya, ate, at sa bunsong kapatid.
I will.
Kung si Bantay may cellphone, pakishare na rin. It's a prank! Pag sinabing useful, ibig sabihin mahalaga, gamit, nakakatulong, okay?
Okay.
Pag sinabi mong tamad is lazy. Ang lazy, ibig sabihin are those people who are not doing anything. They love to sleep, they love, in other words, natambay or tamad, okay? So, you say goodbye na to my YouTube.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Tell them to support my YouTube channel.
Please subscribe to her to him. Wait tayo English eh.
Sarap ng tawa mo. Sa mga tawa! Okay, maraming salamat, Ryan. Okay, bye. Guys, another friends of mine sharing my videos. Bishop folks, Pinoy Transporter, signing off. Bye.